Today is day 2 and ang agenda namin ay cooking class. So yun, papunta na kami doon. Before kami pumunta doon, magbe-breakfast muna kami. Then, after breakfast, magbubook na kami ng Bolt. Going to Somfet Market. Tapos, doon yung pick up namin sa Somfet Market papunta sa Sab-Ili class. So guys, nandito tayo sa Somfet Market para puntahan yung Sab-Ili na office. Ito yung office ni Sab-Ili. Ito yung nasa loob ng office niya, guys. Ito yung mga naging students niya. Tapos ito yung sa mismong pinanggaganapan ng cooking class. Dito kami sa office nila. Naantay namin. Ito yung brochure nila, guys. Sab-Ili Thai cooking class. Then, ito yung mga inclusions. So, yung price nga is 1,000 baht per person. Then, kung i-convert siya, nasa 2,500. Tapos yan, ito yung mga pwedeng gawin. So, pipili ka dyan kung ano yung mga gusto mong luto. Then, ayan, sa soup, yung dessert, yung famous nila na mango sticky rice. Yun, ayun ang kanilang brochure. Tapos, ito yung mga naging activities nila. Sana malagay tayo dito sa brochure nila.
No time for sleeping. And right now, if you go to the market, it won't take around 3 to 5 minutes. Today, who would like to cook spring roll? Show me your hands, spring roll team. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. A-O-Y. Just pronounce like oi oi. If you want some help, you just call me. Right now, it's a rainy season, but it's still hot like the summer. But I want less cholesterol. Crossing the always an adventure.
We're going to the market now.
This is a Thai lottery.
Lottery?
Yeah. One ticket. If you get win, you will get 6 million baht.
How much is the one?
The one ticket?
Yeah.
100 baht. Okay. But right now we are at Chiang Mai Gate Market. This is the biggest market and the oldest market for in the old town here. Open every day. Like a cotton candy combined together. It was soft and sticky.
Hello guys, so mag-voice over lang ako sa'yo. Tapos na yung cooking class namin. So nandito kami ngayon sa Chom Cafe. 1 hour from Sab-Ili going dito sa Chom Cafe yung biyahe. Nag-Bolt lang kami. Since busog pa kami, ang o-orderin lang namin is drinks lang. Ito, yung in-order na Riza is strawberry yogurt smoothie for 120 baht. Mating na yung order ko. Hindi ko in-expect na ganito kalaki. This is 150 baht. Coconut smoothie. This is what Chom Cafe looks like. Ito yung mismong cafe. Maliit lang siya in person. In videos na makikita mo sa internet, mukhang malaki siya, but in person, maliit lang. Ito yung itsura ng pinaka-entrance niya. So guys, nandito kami 7-Eleven bago kami bumalik ng hotel namin. Bibili muna kami dito. Ganda ng 7-Eleven dito. Dami mabibili. Snacks. Pahingi ako niya. Narinig ka. Narinig. Pakagat talaga. Hindi pwedeng kurot. Kadamutan mo Huwag ka hingi ng toothpaste ko Hello guys. So today is our day 3 in Chiang Mai. Ang activity namin for today ay punta kami ng Kai Lai Orchid. It's an elephant sanctuary. Full day tayo dun. Susunduin kami dito mga 7:45 AM. Tapos yun, hanggang 4 PM yung activity namin dun. 1.5 hour away siya. Medyo malayo. Yun lang, pakita namin sa inyo yung mga ganap. Bye! Andito na yung service namin. Kapon ka! Stop by. Tapos malayo-layo pa kami. Dito na kami sa Live Orchid. After 15 minutes, mag-go na kami. May elephants na din dito. So big. Elephants. Ito yung itsura ng Live Orchid sa entrance. Yan. Excited and scared.
Okay, May first, May. Okay?
Okay.
In that. Okay. And sit down, please.
Bye.
Okay.
See you later. Gumagawa sila ng ring and flower crown.
So can I try it?
Small.
How?
Here. Wow. Nice. Brown. Wala ko yung masabi. Wala ko yung masabi. Start na kami ng hiking. Papuntang Elephant Jungle. 45 minutes yung hike. What is that?
Specialist. I make it magic already here. Magic. Okay. Okay, sir, you can. Let's see. Broke. Make it broke. See? See?
Oh, it's getting red.
Look.
Yeah.
Like a lipstick. You can use like a.
My sweat.
Only the young leaf, not the old leaf. Okay, it's old no color, my friend. Okay. Only the young. Thank you for you coming.
Thank you.
Later we can see baby elephant. No, we have 4 months and 8 months.
We're so excited for that.
Naghahanap siya ng signal, guys. Kasi wala na daw signal pagdating sa pupuntahan namin.
We see the baby soon.
We're already seeing elephants. Ang lalaki nila.
Okay?
Okay. Bon, in the middle.
Meet together. Much.
So yung kasama naming elephant. Breastfeeding elephant, baby elephant.
Oh, water. Woo!
Hello guys, so tapos na kami sa aming activity dito sa Kailay Orchid. Dito kami ngayon sa kainan dito sa Kailay Orchid. And dito din ginaganap yung parang happy hours ng elephants. Naglalakad-lakad sila dito para pakainin mo, ganun. Umorder kami ng food namin. Pizza and fries. Tapos yan yung drinks ni Riza. Tapos ito yung drinks ko na naubos ko na. Bon. Yay!